Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We're told to find the inverse of the following functions. A, we have f of x is equal to 2x minus 7. B, we have f of x is equal to x cubed plus 8. And C, we have f of x is equal to square root of x plus 2 minus 5. Okay, so let's see how we're going to solve these questions. So when we are trying to solve the inverse of a function, all we need to do is switch the places of the x and the y values. Okay, so let's solve together. A, we have f of x is equal to 2x minus 7. But remember, f of x is the same thing as y. F of x is simply the value of y at a particular value of x. So we have y is equal to 2x minus 7. Next thing we're going to do is, where we have y, we're going to put x, and where we have x, we're going to put y. So this will be x is equal to 2y minus 7. Next, we move minus 7 to where x is, and when we crosses over the equal to sign to change to plus, so we have x plus 7 is equal to 2y. Mirroring this equation, we can still write it as 2y is equal to x plus 7. So, in order to get y, we simply divide both sides by 2. So, divide by 2, divide by 2. So, y is equal to x plus 7 all over 2. So, that's the value of y. But remember, y is the same thing as f of x. But since we are looking at the inverse, we simply say, therefore, inverse of f of x is equal to x plus 7 all over 2. So that becomes the answer to that question. Let's look at the next one. We have B. F of x is equal to x cubed plus 8. So this means y is equal to x cubed plus 8. So switching places, we are going to have x is equal to y cubed plus 8. Next, we move plus 8 to the right, which will give us x minus 8 is equal to y cubed. So in order to get the value of y, we need to write the opposite of cube. The opposite of cube is cube root. So we find the cube root of both sides of the equation. So cube root of x minus 8 is equal to cube root of y cube. So cube root is going to cancel out cube. We are going to have y is equal to cube root of x minus 8. So this means our answer over here is inverse of f of x is equal to cube root of x minus 8. That becomes the answer to that question. Let's look at the next one, which is the last one, C. We have f of x is equal to square root of x plus 2 minus 5. So remember, f of x is y, so y is equal to square root of x plus 2 minus 5. Okay, switching places, x is equal to square root of y plus 2 minus 5. So moving minus 5 to the right, we have x plus 5 is equal to square root of y plus 2. So in order to eliminate square root, we are going to introduce the opposite of square root, which is square. So square both sides. So we have x plus 5 into x plus 5 is equal to, on the right, square will cancel out square root to have y plus 2. X multiplied by x gives us x squared. X multiplied by 5 gives us 5x. 5 multiplied by x gives us 5x, so we can simply write plus 10x. And then 5 multiplied by 5 gives us plus 25 is equal to y plus 2. So moving plus 2 to the left, we are going to have x squared plus 10x plus 25 plus 2 is going to change to minus 2 is equal to y. So we can write it as y is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 25 minus 2 will give us 23. Therefore, f inverse of f of x is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 23. That becomes our answer. Very simple, right? So this is the simple process of finding the inverse of a function. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video.